Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we just got in the Mission to the Moon Swatch. So we have been looking for this exact model for some time now, and we will try to do the unboxing right here on the channel. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy these kind of videos, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and also check out our website vintageradar.com, especially if you are into vintage Swatch watches, because we have around 1000 Swatch watches for sale. So guys, I was able to go to Greece and to actually get the Mission to the Moon model. I haven't seen it in other cities such as Milano and Germany, in Berlin. And here, for example, we have the thank you card from the Swatch, and here we have the receipt. As you can see, the watch was 260 euros. It was purchased from Thessaloniki, so one of the biggest cities in Greece. And I was able to find the Mission to the Moon Swatch. As you can see, it has this very cool box with the information about the moon, such as the temperature and the low gravity, around 6 days to reach. Very cool box. Now if you open it, you can also see on the sides that it has the Omega Swatch partnership. And as you open the box, you can already see a little through, and you can reveal the Omega Swatch watch. Here you will have the booklets from the watch. Here you have information box with all the Swatch watches, which is very neat in case you want to have a look at other models. For example, I really like the Mission to Saturn. I like this subdial that has Saturn. It is very cool. Here you can also see it was purchased from Thessaloniki on April 2023. And here you have all the information that you need about the Swatch Omega and how to use it. Now let's have a look at the watch. You can actually pop it out, and it has this small support where the watch strap is actually placed. The watch strap has a very sporty feel. As you might already know, this is made of bioceramic, so it is not the usual plastic case that you might find. Let's remove the protection. And here is the Omega Swatch. Very nice looking watch. As you can see, the watch crystal is immaculate. There are no defects from what I can see. Here on the back you also have the Mission to the Moon and all the information, and here is the cover to the watch battery. So this is where you would go in order to replace the watch battery. I've seen a lot of people complaining about these straps. I must say that they are pretty low quality, but if they went with it, it is very neat, and you can actually save these and replace them with straps of your own liking. So as you might already know, this is a chronograph. So this means that you have a subdial for the seconds hand. Here at 6 o'clock, you can start the chronograph using the button on the top right. You can stop it and continue from there. And if you want to reset it, simply press the button on and it will reset to 12 o'clock. Now, if you want to set the time, you have to pull the crown to the second position, and you will be able to set the time. After you have done so, simply push the crown back in. As you can see, the watch crown is also engraved with the Omega Swatch. The pushers feel quite good. I really like them compared to other plastic Swatch watches. I've seen some people complaining about some impurities that they can find inside the watch dial, so on the dial between the crystal and the dial. I haven't seen any. And also I have seen some things regarding the watch hands. You can look right here at the top of the watch hands. I can say that they are pretty good, so the printing is also pretty good. We also have the Mission to Mars. A review will come on this one soon as well. As you can see, it is new. We have had it for a few months, but we didn't get the time to make a full review about it. but very nice. The case size is the same, all the specs are the same, only the colors are the different things about these Swatch watches, and the straps. Let's put it on the wrist and have a look. So I find this kind of strap quite childish compared to regular Swatch watch straps. Maybe they could have done something better, but nonetheless, let's check it out. So this is how it looks on the wrist. I like the fact that it says Speedmaster, the Omega Moon Swatch, here Omega, and here Swatch. But I believe that they could have done something better when it comes to the quality and how it feels. So the watch case feels quite heavy compared to the strap, and the strap is really clumsy and it feels like it is too tight on the wrist. And whether I let it even more loose, it will still look very bulky. So as you can see right here, I don't like this. So you will have to put it very tight in order to avoid that extra loop that it has. We will make a video on how to replace the watch battery, how to replace the watch strap on this particular model or on the Swatch Omega in general, so you can do that by yourself at home. I would say that the watch is very nice. It is a very cool partnership that they made. I know that people believe that this hurts the Omega brand, but I believe that it is a very cool thing that they have done, and this is after all a very affordable Omega experience, so you can get a feeling of the original Speedmaster look and feel, and then you can actually upgrade when you have the funds for that particular model. So this is a very cool watch. Once again, it is priced at 260 euros, so maybe around $300 or 280. You might see them online with price tags of 300, 400, 500, 1000, but I would suggest actually waiting a little longer, because once the hype is out, you will actually be able to get the Mission to the Moon, the one that you really want, in the Swatch boutique. So try to go there regularly and maybe find the watch at the MSRP price. So guys, I'll be making another video in the future here on the channel with a full review about the Omega Swatch watch. I will try to look at the imperfections, at how it feels to replace the watch strap, to replace the watch battery, to wear it for a little on various straps, and tell you a full review and whether you should buy it or not. If you are a Swatch collector or a Swatch fan, you will most likely want to fetch this one out, because it is a very cool and unique model, and who knows if they will do something similar in the future or not. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you enjoy this kind of videos, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one.